Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn off location on Roblox. So guys, I'll show you how can you change or can you turn off your location on Roblox. First of all, open Roblox app and just tap on three dot over here. Just go to settings. Now you have to tap on account info. Tap on account info, and guys, in account info you have to be on this section here. You can see the account location. So if you open this list, you will see that there are lots of countries here, but there is no turn off option. So if you want to turn off option, if you want to turn off your location, you can instead of turning off, you can choose other location instead of your real location. But guys, when you select any other location, so it says that you can change your location only once. So it means if you are setting to other location, make sure you are made your mind that you are going to change your location for all the time. So make sure if you are changing your locations, you won't be able to change in other time. So make sure you are sure that you are going to change your location. And if this doesn't help you, then you can contact to Roblox team. So you can fill this form, guys. I'll give you the link of this form, and you can write your concern in this form. Why are you changing your location? Why are you trying to turn off your location on Roblox? And after this, you can contact with them, and if there is any concern and real concern, they will definitely trying to resolve your problem. So I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.